Persina Natural Park. With an area of approximately 22,000 hectares, Persina Natural Park is unique for Bulgaria. Although set up relatively recently in 2000, it is the only natural park on the Danube for the preservation and restoration of wetlands on the Danube. Its uniqueness and importance have been the reasons why it was declared a Ramsar site with large flooded forests and inland marshes decorated with specific vegetation. Also here we find impressive colonies of cormorants, terns, gulls, herons, ducks and geese. It is also worth mentioning that there are excellent conditions for the life of mute swans or black storks. Last but not least, over 1,000 species of animals live in the forest dominated by willow trees and poplars. Project: Development and promotion of a common natural heritage product. Root protected natural heritage within the cross-border region Romania-Bulgaria is co-financed by the European Union through European Regional Development Fund under the Interreg 5A Romania-Bulgaria program.